stand in front of it, but don't touch it,
Look
okay?
at the car.
Stand right there.
Oh my gosh, there are so many cars. See? That car. That car. That car is not for sale. So many cars and so much grass. Look, hey, look, it's a shadow. Yeah. Car show. So many cars. Hey, Becky, where's the car show? Hi. Hi. Where's the car show? Jimena, where's the car show? Diego, where's the car show? There are so many cars. Like, watch. There are so many cars. Like, they go all the way to like back over there. See over there. So many, and then there's a whole row of cars right here and a bunch of people. Everybody loves these cars. Look, this one was made in Malibu, I think.
The Chevy Malibu.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this car. Hey, don't touch it. Don't touch the car.
Come on, guys.
Look at the car. So many cars. So many cars. Look at this car. And look at this car. Open wheel. And look at this car. So tiny. And look at this car. It's a family car. Oh my gosh, there's so many cars. Hashtag car show.
No, I wanted to do it.
Cars.